Today, Peppa's family are flying off on holiday.
Oops, sorry. Come on, George. Oof. What does she say?
She said, it's holiday time!
Hooray!
Oh dear, I think the pressure might be hurting George's ears.
I know. Not that.
Oh.
Or that.
Oh.
Yuck. Aha! Here.
Oh, headphones. Good thinking, Peppa. How's that, George? Great. Now we can all relax.
I need a wee, Mummy.
Come on, then.
Sorry. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Airplane bathrooms are very tiny.
It's a bit squished in here.
Maybe I'll wait outside.
Back at their seats, George is enjoying his favourite show. A little too much.
George, let's sit still, please. Sorry. Much better. Oh! Better get that. Oh, 1 second, George. Got it.
That was the teeniest toilet ever, Daddy.
Oh, George!
Your headphones.
That noise!
Help is on the way, George.
Oh.
Peppa is looking for George's tablet and headphones.
Phew.
Now where are you, headphones?
Can you see them?
It'll be okay, George.
Orange or apple, madam? Which juice would you like?
Oh,
Orange, please. Aha!
Who said that?
I did. Ta-da!
Whoa!
Oh dear.
Sorry, Daddy.
That's okay, Peppa. Thank you for helping George. I'll just go and wash up in the bathroom. Oh dear.
Now we can relax.
Peppa and her family love big relaxing holidays.
Anything from the trolley, madam?
No, thank you. Oh!
If only plane journeys were as relaxing as holidays.
Yeah.
Today, Peppa and her family are at the airport. They're going to Spain on a plane.
Is everyone coming to Spain with us? It must be the biggest plane ever.
Now where do we need to go?
This way for the plane to Spain. Don't worry, there isn't any rain.
Aha! Come on, stay close.
Zoom, zoom, wee, zoom.
Passports and tickets, please.
Hola, Miss Rabbit. That means hello in Spanish.
Hola. I didn't know you spoke Spanish. ¿Cómo estás, Señor Pig?
Daddy Pig does not speak Spanish, but he is learning with an app.
Calcetines?
No thanks. Brought my own socks.
You look so different, Mummy.
It's an old photo.
Here's Teddy and Dinosaur's passports. Dinosaur!
Thank you. Now we need to weigh your bags to make sure they're not too heavy for the plane.
Bye-bye, bag. See you on holiday.
Adios.
Oh dear. This bag is much too heavy. You'll have to take something out so it's light enough.
We'll have to put some of these somewhere else.
Peppa and her family are now at the airport security scanners. Please put your items in the trays to be scanned and walk this way.
The scanners make sure we don't take anything that's not allowed on the avión. That's Spanish for plane.
why don't you come through together?
Hooray! Ooh, tiny shore!
I forgot these. Sorry.
What is that?
Ah, that is a travelator.
Peppa and George are on the travelator. It moves along to help people get to where they want to go much quicker than walking normally.
Wow, there's so many shops!
Ooh, and a massage chair.
Now we relax until our plane is ready.
This is the final call for the plane to Spain, everyone. Hurry!
Oh no! Our plane is leaving!
Peppa loves going on holiday with her family, and she really loves how fun the airport is.
Oh, it's lovely to come back to France and do this.
Today, Peppa and her family are on holiday in Paris, having breakfast on the Eiffel Tower.
Bonjour! What would you like for le petit déjeuner?
Le petit déjeuner means breakfast in French.
Can you read this? My French is a bit rusty.
Perhaps we could try a selection. Something traditional?
Ah oui, traditionnel.
What's traditionnel mean, Daddy?
It means classic. Sort of like, this.
I know this! Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques, la la la, la la la.
Café for Monsieur Pig?
Merci.
And for Madame Pig?
Dong dong!
Perhaps a chocolat chaud? Hot chocolat?
Sounds lovely.
Et du jus d'orange pour les enfants?
Ooh, juicy orange juice. Merci! Yummy!
Wowza, that is good coffee. A bit small, though.
Little coffees called espressos are very popular in France. They are small because they are very strong and best drunk slowly.
Could I have another, please?
Et voilà, la baguette.
Baguette!
Baguettes are a type of French bread.
Et la confiture.
Yum!
This is the true taste of Paris.
What does Paris taste like, Daddy?
Let's find out.
Yum!
It tastes like strawberries. Jam, jam, jam!
George loves jam.
Oh, sure.
Sneaky bird.
Sacre bleu! Luckily, we have more. Croissant et pain au chocolat.
Ooh, pan au chocolate, please.
Pain au chocolat is a type of pastry with chocolate in the middle.
Who is this?
This is my friend, le mime.
Mime is the French art of making people laugh with movement.
Le mime is going down the stairs.
And back up again.
Now he's copying you, Daddy.
Oh, he is. La 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 la. He is very good. Oh, is there a toilette nearby?
Too much café, monsieur? Of course. This way.
Peppa and her family love their breakfast in Paris, and Daddy really loves coffee. Peppa and her family are flying in an aeroplane.
Woohoo! Yay! I love flying in aeroplanes.
But not everyone loves flying in aeroplanes.
Oh!
Oh, hello, Madam Gazelle. George and I love flying. Do you love it too?
Actually, I have never been on an aeroplane before, and I am scared. Huh? Oh!
Oh, I know what to do. Miss Rabbit, please can you make the plane go really, really high?
I don't see why not.
It's really really fun when the plane goes high, Madame Gazelle. Look, we're nearly in space.
Too high! Too high!
Oh. Can we go lower instead, Miss Rabbit?
Certainly.
Too low! Far too low!
Let's do a loop-de-loop. I don't think that worked either, George. Look, Madame Gazelle. That cloud is shaped like a bird. Do you see?
Yes, I see. And that one is shaped like a relaxing desert island.
Dinosaur.
It's no good. I will just close my eyes and wait for this to be over.
Oh dear.
Hello, would you two like an activity book? They're lots of fun.
Oh, yes, please. Would you like to do some colouring in with us, Madame Gazelle?
Well, I suppose that might keep my mind off things.
And so Peppa, George and Madame Gazelle did some relaxing colouring for the rest of the flight.
Look at these! The line work, the attention to detail. Incredible! A-star plus!
Hooray! We've landed! Whee!
Already? But I was having fun. That wasn't scary at all.
I told you, flying is really fun.
Thank you for helping me, Peppa and George. Now I cannot wait to fly home.
Who's ready for an adventure to the seaside? Hooray!
Peppa and her family are going out for the day.
Oh dear, I think I forgot to put petrol in the car.
Never mind. Let's take the train to the beach.
Hooray!
Peppa and her family are catching a train to the seaside.
Tickets, please.
We're going to the seaside. And Mummy didn't put petrol in the car.
How exciting! I love the seaside.
I think it's time for some lunch. Peppa, let's look for the dining carriage. Whoa.
Daddy Pig and Peppa are walking through the train to the dining carriage. It is very wobbly.
Oh, this carriage must be for passengers who want to sleep.
Whoa!
This carriage must be for people who want to play on the train.
Wow! Hi, Danny. Hi, Gerald. Whee!
This must be the cinema carriage.
Excuse me.
Peppa and Daddy Pig have found the dining carriage.
This carriage must be for people who want lunch. Is that your tummy rumbling, Daddy?
I'm afraid the train has broken down.
Oh dear, we'll have to take the bus.
Now, Peppa's family are waiting to catch the bus to the seaside.
All aboard! Next stop, the seaside!
The bus has broken down.
I think somebody forgot petrol again. Now how will we get to the seaside?
Well, we can walk.
The seaside is just down the hill.
This was the best trip to the seaside ever. I can't wait to see how we get back home.
Peppa and Emily Elephant are having lots of fun at the beach today. They love the water.
Look, Emily, I'm a fish. Blob, blob, blob. I have an idea. There's so many fish, Peppa. How did you do that, Emily? Did you hold your breath? No. I can use my trunk to breathe because it's so long. Oh.
What's the matter, Peppa?
I wish I had a trunk like Emily, so I could breathe underwater and look at the fish.
I know. Come with me, Peppa. Ta-da! This long tube goes in your mouth and means you can breathe underwater.
Like Emily's trunk.
Exactly like Emily's trunk.
Why does your voice sound funny, Peppa? It's my snorkel. It means I can breathe underwater like you. Look.
No, Peppa.
Yuck.
Oh, Peppa, you must be careful.
Blech. The snorkel didn't work. And the water tasted horrible.
That's because it's salt water, Peppa. You need to keep your lips shut tight around the snorkel so you can breathe through your mouth without letting water in.
You have to take long, deep breaths, like this.
Peppa practices taking big, deep breaths.
Do you want to try again?
Okay. I did it! I saw lots of colourful fish.
Yes, well done. And thank you for helping her, Emily.
And to get rid of the taste of the salty water, George and I thought you might like some...
Ice cream!